In 2024, the globe's economic stage is set with a dazzling lineup of the richest nations, each boasting a unique recipe for success. The United States leads the charge with a powerhouse economy fueled by tech giants, financial wizards, and a vibrant consumer market. China, a formidable second, powers ahead with its booming manufacturing sector, tech innovations, and a vast export network. Germany, the EU's economic engine, shines with its strong industrial base, especially in precision engineering and automotive excellence. Japan continues to impress with its high-tech industry and automotive prowess. India leaps into the top 5 with rapid growth driven by its thriving tech and services sectors. The UK, despite its post-Brexit challenges, excels with its robust financial services and creative industries. France, with its rich cultural heritage, leverages luxury goods, tourism, and advanced manufacturing. Brazil stands out in South America with its vast natural resources and growing agriculture sector. Italy dazzles with its luxury fashion, automotive design, and fine cuisine, while Canada rounds out the top 10 with a wealth of natural resources and a booming services sector. Together, these nations are painting a vibrant picture of global affluence with their diverse and dynamic sources of income.